Introducing the 2014 GMC Yukon. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, power front seats, and remote keyless entry. State-of-the-art amenities, such as steering wheel memory and pedal memory, yield a more personal driving experience. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 30 gigabyte hard drive, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features, such as a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.